Hi gorgeous girls, I'm Adele from Get Gorgeous. I'm a nutritionist, an exercise professional, and I'm here to help you with your gorgeous mindset. I want you to learn how to love your gorgeous body. I want you to use food, exercise, and I want you to use your mind, to use your thoughts to help you to feel gorgeous, because that's where it all starts. So this vlog is going to show you how to shift your thinking, how to enable you to love your gorgeous body. So I've got 4 little steps, and the first step is acceptance. Accept where you are right now, accept who you are, accept how you eat, okay? Recognise how you eat. Don't try and follow somebody else's diet principles. Accept how you eat, okay? That's harder than it may sound. Then I want you to follow a path that suits you, a natural path that suits you, something that fits your daily schedule. And then adapt successful habits. Adapt them and adopt them forever. You've adapted them to suit you. And then simply repeat over until they become stuck. So they stick to you and you can use them for life. I don't want you to flip your whole world upside down, to make revolutionary changes, to stop eating, to try and change whatever you're doing. It won't work. It won't last forever. I don't want you to force through new habits. It's not going to happen overnight. I don't want you to disrupt your existing life, because you'll end up at square one. Instead, small changes, nudge out those bad habits that aren't serving you. Push them away slowly by bringing in new habits. What is she talking about? Well, if you have the habit of drinking 5 or 6 cups of coffee a day, you know who you are, Ruthie, and a few others out there. Well, rather than saying to you, don't drink any more coffee, how about if I said to you, increase your water, okay? So you increase a good habit and a bad habit starts to be nudged out. Ah, reverse thinking. And I don't charge your inner teenager with any hostility. She's okay about it because she thinks, okay, I'm doing this because it's good for me. So you replace your old ways with new ways, and that creates health. That creates happiness and abundance in everything you do. Change the way that you're eating slowly and you will stop craving sugary treats. Change the way that you exercise and make it more sustainable, and that's how it becomes long term. And it's the mindset, it is where your brain is at, that makes that all happen. Let's look at gorgeous Sandra, and she is gorgeous. She did exactly that. She changed her whole mindset. Her whole health changed. She looked at the way she approached exercise. But Sandra took her time. She consolidated the change. She made the transformation that she has craved all her life. Her gorgeous body that she now loves, but a gorgeous mindset that she's now really happy with the body that she loves. So Get Gorgeous is a 360-degree holistic approach. Now Sandra is a busy businesswoman. She runs her own company. So you might not run your own company, but you can certainly relate to Sandra's story when she says that she's busy, that she's overwhelmed and she struggles to fit everything in. She was so busy that she couldn't do an overhaul. She couldn't work hard in a high-pressure job. She knew her health was suffering, but she didn't have the time to change everything completely. What she was craving, what she wanted, was to feel comfortable in her own body. She wanted to feel happy with who she was. I want to know my own worth. I need to learn how to appreciate my own worth. That's what she said to me. Her biggest fear was lashing out, and she knew that that came from a dark place, and that's how she was talking to work colleagues and even loved ones and friends. She felt she had to fight to be heard, and she was constantly justifying herself at work and at home. So we took it back a step. We looked at why, we found out tools that would help her, and bit by bit she made the changes. She became body confident, because lack of body love holds you back. It makes you lash out for things you don't really want to say or do. It's because there's other things going on in your head. I know that, and deep down you know that, but it takes a little work to find that and bring it out. So step one, realise that you are not behaving the way that you want to, but realise that perhaps you're isolating yourself, and reach out. Ask for help. That's step one. That's all you need to do. Ask for help. Step two, go for education. Don't go for more diet tricks that are going to last 6 months or a year. What's the statistics? 79% of people that go on a diet are going to put the weight back on. Don't be another statistic. Education and a plan. That's what's going to help this to stick. And step three, find yourself. Who are you? Who do you want to be? Work with who you are, not somebody else's rules and regulations, not somebody else's strict plan. Find out who you are. Step into your new territory. So Sandra ended up changing the way she completely operated. She changed her business. She stopped using those masculine techniques to get her through, and she found herself. Enlightening, beautiful. Perhaps you're holding yourself back from something. Perhaps you've got a networking event that you want to attend or even speak at. Or perhaps you want to be more of a role at your school or something like that, or step up in your relationship. Well, that's where it starts. It starts with your gorgeous mindset, and then you have the tools to work on your food and your exercise. I even told Sandra to exercise less, okay? So it might not be that you've got to exercise more. And what's the first step? Yes, ask for help. I'm Adele at Get Gorgeous. Ask for my help. I would love to chat. So I'm a nutritionist, I'm an exercise professional, and I'm here to help you find you, your gorgeous mindset. What can I tap into that'll make you reach your goals? Bye for now.